Greetings, and welcome to the Marsh Bellofram Oil and Gas Division in Oklahoma City. My name is Jeff Smith, and I serve as the VP and GM of WNS Lowery. I am pleased to present an overview of our manufacturing facility located at 2221 Southeast 69th Street, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This facility was acquired in 2014 to serve as the primary manufacturing center for Whittle and Nair. Following the acquisition of Lowery Wellheads by Marsh Bellofram in 2018, this location became the operational headquarters for the newly established WNS Lowery. Today, this facility proudly manufactures products for WNS Lowery, Belgas CP, Easy Flow Control, and Belgas FM. In 2025, we significantly expanded our operational capabilities, increasing the facility's footprint from 40,000 to over 73,000 square feet. This expansion enables comprehensive manufacturing, warehousing, and distribution for all four of our companies, serving every basin in the U.S., as well as Canadian and international markets. As is evident, new rows and shelving have been installed to accommodate our extensive inventory. Our facility features a state-of-the-art assembly area where equipment from all product lines is assembled. This dynamic space is a hub of activity throughout the day. In addition, we maintain an office dedicated to warehouse management, a convenient will call and shipping station, a receiving bay, and a quality control area to ensure adherence to product specifications. Our facility features a dedicated testing bay where we conduct hydrostatic tests on wellhead equipment, pressurizing it up to 10,000 psi. This rigorous process guarantees our products meet and exceed the demands of field operations. Detailed charts document these procedures, ensuring the continued superior performance of our stuffing boxes and blowout preventers. Adjacent to the testing area, we operate a specialized cell roller for the fabrication of flame arrestor cells. Furthermore, our welding station is equipped with 4 individual welding bays. Located on the opposite side of the facility are 2 paint booths, externally ventilated to maintain optimal air quality. These booths ensure a flawless finish, enhancing the appearance and longevity of our products. Our commitment to safety is demonstrated by our dedicated safety relief valve room, a specialized space for the assembly, testing, and precise calibration of our relief valves. Adjacent to this area is our machine shop, where we proudly manufacture the American-made components for our product lines. This facility houses a smart machine, multiple CNC machines, lathes, and a horizontal bandsaw utilized for cutting bar stock. Currently, we are expanding our facilities with a break room and new office spaces under construction. The plant manager's office, located on the 2nd floor, provides a comprehensive view of the warehouse and manufacturing operations. We also have an engineering center where we design and test our new products. As we commence this virtual tour, the office space at the forefront houses our office personnel, encompassing management and customer service departments, alongside dedicated workstations for customer service and procurement teams. Furthermore, we offer an office break room for our staff and a conference room designed to accommodate both internal meetings and client engagements. On behalf of the entire Marsh Bellofram Oil and Gas team, I extend our sincere gratitude for your participation in this virtual exploration.